I'm Josh from AGG Doors, and today I'd like to talk to you about some of the doors that we commonly install. This door that you see behind me is a sectional panel door. Sectional panel doors are generally made up between 4 and 5 panels, depending on how high the door is, and they roll up along 2 tracks on the side of the door, up along the ceiling. If you're going to automate it, the motor is generally mounted in the middle of the ceiling with a track that runs the length of the ceiling. The advantage to a sectional panel door is, number one, they're very customizable. You can get different colors and different styles, so different indentations in the panel. The other advantage is they do suit a lower headroom garage. So where a roller door can take up to about 450 mils of headroom, a panel door can be around 300 mils for a standard install, and in some cases we can get it to as low as 180 mil. Hopefully this has given you a bit of an insight as to what door would suit you best. If you have any questions or you want any help deciding on that door, feel free to give us a call and we can give you some advice.